Hey guys, it's Sylvia. I'm here to show you how I made this natural hand sanitizer. It doesn't have any alcohol. It's all with essential oils. I honestly love it. I've been using it even before the situation with coronavirus, and I really like it. It smells delicious and I feel it does protect you. So if you want to learn how I make it, please go ahead and watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time. Some essential oils. I have some lemon over here. Lemon is always used in cleaning products. It has like antibacterial properties, as well as it helps you to protect the immune system and against respiratory disease. This mix that is called Health Shield. It has some cinnamon, rosemary, clove, eucalyptus, tree oil. It has all of these essential oils that come in this blend are also protective, and it helps you to kill bacteria. If you don't have this blend, you can be adding more of the other ones. The most important oils to have here are the tea tree oil, which I have right here. This is an antiviral and it's very important to have it in a hand sanitizer, as well as eucalyptus. Some rosemary here, which I love the way that it smells. It's also known to have antibacterial properties. Even though my blend already has it, I will still be adding extra. Now I have some sweet orange here. This is another citric. I absolutely love the smell of orange. I'm really adding it to my hand sanitizer to give it that sweet smell. And I also feel, since oranges have vitamin C, it's just kind of like extra protection. So I'm gonna be adding this as well. Now I have some eucalyptus here. It might sound repetitive, but eucalyptus and tea tree oil are gonna be the most important factor on your hand sanitizer. So it's essential that you have these two oils. Eucalyptus is also known as an antiviral and antibacterial. Okay, so I have these little bottles that I got from the dollar store. They're little spray bottles and they came in a package of 2. You don't even need to use the same exact ones. You can use any bottles that you have, but I'm gonna be using these ones. Now I have some aloe vera gel right here. I got this before all of this started. I'm not sure if it's non-existent like the alcohol, but if you don't have it, you can get it from an aloe vera leaf, and then you can let it soak for 24 hours and cut the pulp out, blend it, and you have natural aloe vera gel. I have some witch hazel here. This is unscented. The reason why mine looks this color is because I added a little oil because I also use it for my face. It's the only one that I have right now, so it's what I'm gonna be using. Also some purified water right here. So now let's get started. I'm gonna add the water now. About 2 tablespoons of it and 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, and then my essential oil. Really, you can put less water and less witch hazel and more gel, depending what consistency you want your hand sanitizer to be. It's time to add the essential oils. I will be adding around 7 drops of each oil except eucalyptus, the blend that I have, and tea tree oil. Now, if you don't have the blend that I have, you will be adding more eucalyptus or more tea tree oil or some rosemary, whatever you have. Adding 10 drops of eucalyptus, 10 drops of tea tree oil, and 10 drops of my blend. All your essential oils in there, you're gonna go ahead and add the aloe vera gel. I'm gonna fill it up the rest of the way and mix it really well. I made 3 hand sanitizers and they all 3 have different consistencies. I made one a little more liquid to be able to spray it in objects and stuff like that, doorknobs. I made another one a little thicker, more like gel, and one in the middle. The one that is thicker has a different color just because I added more sweet orange oil because I wanted it to have that smell. By adding more or less aloe vera gel, you're gonna get the different consistencies. Try not to add as much water and substitute it with the gel. My hands feel really moisturized after I do this, by the way. And here you have your hand sanitizers. Stay safe.